Everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I don't know if this is all the projects that I made on day 2 or not, because I thought it was 5, so we'll have to see in day 3. But this is what I recall making for day 2. This is for the La La Land Crafts virtual retreat. It was a 3-day retreat. I have a video number 1, and this is video number 2, because we made a lot of intense projects. So let's get to it. So we made this pillar card, which is kind of fun. It's got a shaker element. Happy Holidays. I wonder if this, I don't think we got Happy Holidays. I think I ordered this one, but everything comes with it. I mean, like when you order or when you sign up for the virtual retreat, you get all the pieces to make everything. So even if they don't give you the stamp set or the die, they cut it out for you so that you have all the pieces. You don't have to buy anything extra, which is good because it's an expensive retreat. But you do get a lot of really cool projects. And like I said, you get all the pieces to make them. So we didn't get this stamp set right here, but they gave us a printed out copy that we just cut out so we can use for our project. So this is called a pillar card. You can see it's like it stands up. And then the back is a place that you can write your message. And then we have this. So we did get this stamp set, and then we also did a coloring class on coloring her. And then all these other elements were given to us in our kits. So you've got this piece that pulls out so that you can write a message. And then this popped off. So I might have to glue this little pocket down. I think it doesn't like being on this glossy, because I use score tape, but for some reason it didn't stick really well on this glossy paper. So, and then it is this really cool, like accordion style sort of box. It's see-through, so you can put something really cool in here, cool gift. So I really liked that one. And then one of the sort of make and take type projects is this like card. It's a pop-up card. And so Halloween. And then this one is a gratitude journal. So we made this little like cover for it, and I just put a piece of acetate. I saw someone do this in the group. They put a piece of acetate so that the journal wouldn't fall through. So we made this piece. This is a stamp that we got, and we also got a coloring class, but I did not do the coloring class. I just kind of used similar colors that I saw that they used for this, and I just colored her on my own just to kind of save time. So we just made this little kind of carrier thingamabobber for the gratitude journal. And so here is the gratitude journal. We did get this die in our kit, and so we didn't cover the back, but I have some extra papers. Maybe I'll do that. So here it is right here. We got a little tag, and then just some regular journal paper, copy papers in here. And that was that project right here. So this was one of the last projects that I made, was this Grateful Journal. I was waiting to complete that before I could make this video. And I'll be back with what I think is day 3 stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.